Hi, my name is Haley Stevens. Have you ever heard of the carnivorous plant called the Venus flytrap? Well, some of you may have even owned one growing up like I did. The purpose of my speech is to inform my audience about the Venus flytrap and its structure, what it eats, as well as where they are found around the world. And that's why the title of my speech is called It's a Trap. I'm going to start off with the structure of the plant, and specifically its base. So the base is a leaf-based stem, and it's called the petiole. And it actually stays relatively close to the ground, and the stem is very thin, but also very wide. And this actually helps with photosynthesis, because the more surface area that the stem has, the more photosynthesis that it can obtain. And then there's the main part that's called the trapping mechanism, or the leaf blade. And for each trapping mechanism, it has two lobes. So if this was the trapping mechanism, it opens up, and this is one lobe, two lobe. And on each one, it has 3 sensory hairs. And what the sensory hairs do is once an insect or a small creature lands onto it, it'll sense the movement of the creature, and then it'll cause the collapse of the lobes onto the insect or creature. And on each of the lobes on the outside, it has what's called teeth, and they lace together once the Venus flytrap closes. And the purpose of these teeth is to help keep the insect inside while the lobes are closing. Next up is going to be the Venus flytrap and what it eats. First off, the insects and small creatures are lured in either by the nectar that's inside or because of the red lining on the outside of the Venus flytrap. And the main things that the Venus flytrap eats include insects like ants, flies, grasshoppers, spiders, and slugs, but they can also eat tiny frogs. And lastly, I'm going to go over where the Venus flytraps are found. So Venus flytraps are found all around the world in different areas, and they can either be indoors or outdoors. But more specifically, in North Carolina, the Venus flytraps are actually native there, and they have a state carnivorous plant, which is the Venus flytrap. And in North Carolina, over half of the carnivorous plants are in the entire United States are found in that area in North Carolina. And they have a botanical garden that's huge, like so much land, and it has wild Venus flytraps found all around. And that was a summary of the Venus flytrap and its structure, what it eats, as well as where they are found around the United States. Thank you.